Okay, flight crew. Today's mission is to simulate an engine failure from 3 miles out at my home runway in Ocean County, New Jersey. We're going to be around 3,000 feet in elevation, and I'm in a Cessna 172, which should be more than capable of flying 3 miles and dropping 3,000 feet right onto the runway. So we're just at 3,000 now. And there's the runway coming up on 3 miles, so we're going to kill the engine right now. So the fact that we're in a nor'easter with wind and rain is going to make this very challenging, especially now since the propeller has stopped. But I have confidence in my skills, even though I can't see a darn thing. Where the hell's the runway? Alright, well, we're passing 2,600 feet, looking good for speed. 71 knots, 72. Want to keep it above 65. At some point, we should get out of the clouds. Alright, okay, there we go. Can just see the runway coming into view, 2.25 miles out, 2,100 feet. Things are looking great. Just past 2,000 feet. Although the airspeed is slowing to 65. Oh, we just blew by that. Okay. Under 2 miles, though. Still have a prayer to get on the ground in one piece. Alright, 1,600 feet. Come on. The main problem is all these trees. Okay, 1.75 miles. Airspeed's holding steady at 62 knots. 1,200 feet. Oh, we're down to 60. I could basically walk faster than this at this point. Oh, God. Oh, alright, there's the stall warning. Makes the hair on the back of your neck stand up. And we are just dropping so fast. Okay, why don't you just be quiet? There you go. Yeah, just there, please. Oh boy. 51 knots. That ain't good. Now the propeller decides to get in the way. I can't see anything. Come on. Come on. I want to go home, watch football. Oh God. No, we're just gonna miss. Son of a bitch. Oh boy.